Today we learn how to take the attendance on phone using the Google Meet. For this we have to install a browser, Kiwi browser, because the different Chrome, Google Chrome has not support the extensions. Then we have to install this browser. This is Kiwi browser from your Play Store. Okay, after this one we have to open this Kiwi browser. The browser is open, then they are three dotted, then we have to go the extensions. After this screen will display, we have to go you find, this is the written here, this one, this you can find the extension on Google. It means now we click here, then this is first one, Chrome Web Store for the extension. The right side we have to search the first extension, that is a, we have to write here Google Meet attendance. And search this first, this one is the, we have to select this one, Google Meet attendance. Then we have to install this, add to Chrome, permission, then it is downloaded. Then next we have to install the extension. This is the Google Meet Visual. Search this one, the first one. The both extension we are need. The first one is Google Meet attendance and second one is Google Meet Visual Effects. Then again add to Chrome. Okay, downloaded, then back, the both extensions added. Then go to the Kiwi browser, then we have to type meet.google.com. Now this page is open. You have to check the first thing, this browser will be open as a desktop side, this one. Okay, it means this one is clicked desktop. Then join or start a meeting, it is same like a PC. Then you have to give the name, for example online, then continue, then joining. Now this screen will be displayed, this one. Then we can check this page, it will come. Then allow Meet to use your camera and microphone. It is similar platform as a desktop. Then this one is dismiss. Then join class. Now this screen will display. It will show that your attendance is ready. They are given some guidelines like this one, the group attendance, and there is given your time of meeting starting time, then close. There this page will display. Here the attendance will be shown. Then you have to create, click here, then add. This is the class name, enter class your name, for example 12th CS. This one is created. Here the name of students will be displayed when they join the class. And we can also save this file to a mobile in the form of XML and text file. Now we can see there are two people is here that join the class. And then now go the attendance, this one. The name of student will be displayed in here. After this, before leave the meet, we have to save the attendance. The option is already given here. This one, the first, this is used to store the file in the form of XML, and the second option for store the file in the form of HTML. Then we have to select as per the need, and the file will be stored in your mobile. Okay, then left, if we want to share our screen, the similar we can use here the option. This is the present now. Okay, now that is done. How to save the attendance in a mobile? Just we need two extension. The one extension is sufficient. The second extension, this one, there are two attendance that is used. The first one is Google Meet attendance. Second is visual effects on for Google Meet. This one. These are the Google effects. If you want to some changes in background and bubbles, then we need this extension. Okay, and just please, the browser must be open in the form of desktop site. So this mobile will be perform the operation similar to the desktop. All the menus will be displayed as per the desktop site. Okay, now thank you and have a nice day.